So the Samsung event has just been unpacked and we've got some cool new tech from the brand. I'm M Kwan, and when it comes to the brand new Z Fold 8, in this video, I'm showing you all the colors to help you decide which one is going to be right for you. But first, let's run through some quick specs and what's actually changed. So this year, Samsung is introducing a brand new shape, and I think it's going to be the real highlight this year. Before I show that to you, the Fold that we all know has now been renamed to the Ultra. It's got a similar size and look to last year's Z Fold 7, but a boost to the camera with 50 megapixel for the telephoto, a larger 5,000 milliamp hour battery, faster 45 watt charging, and the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy with 16 GB of RAM for the 1 terabyte models. But the one everyone will be talking about is the new Z Fold 8, a wider and shorter form factor with a 4:3 aspect ratio. Now, the first thing I noticed was just how comfortable it looks and feels in my hand. It's certainly an improvement in terms of one-handed use over the longer and narrower now Ultra. Now, spec-wise, you still have the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 for Galaxy that you have in the Ultra, but it's got a smaller 4,800 milliamp hour battery, and on the back, two 50 megapixel cameras. It's cute, and I think a lot of people are going to appreciate this form factor, especially for content consumption and portability. For all the detailed testing, including camera tests, make sure you hit the subscribe button to know when I drop those videos. But when it comes to the colors, let me show you them all. Every year I get told off for not showing the online exclusive, and this year, this is that color. This is pistachio. Very nice indeed, as you can see here. I love the way that this kind of has a pastel-y effect in some lighting, but very bright in others. Certainly going to be a popular color choice this year, but this is an online exclusive, so something to be aware of. And if I just open it out over here, give you an idea in terms of the bezels. Obviously, all of the devices have this black inside, so you don't really see the color, but you can see elements of it on the outside far edge. But this is a really clean, very nice color. So that is pistachio there. Let's put that back. Now, my personal favorite has to be black. Now, I think with this year's smaller form factor, more compact form factor for the Galaxy Z Fold 8, this is probably my choice for a more stealthy look and feel. I mean, it looks so nice, doesn't it? I mean, I don't know if it's just a phase where I like all my tech to be stealth out, but this really does look like something special. And compared to the other colors, which are quite sort of light and pastel-y, this one certainly stands out. What do you think? I mean, I really like this. But yeah, let me know in the comments what you think. Then the other color is the lavender. Now, lavender is really interesting because this is the hero color. I feel like we've seen this already with a previous Unpacked event, but I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is what lavender looks like. It's a very nice color, don't get me wrong, but it certainly is a color that's very much, I think, well, it could go well with both males and females. What do you think? It's nice. And especially in different lighting, I'm noticing it either looks slightly lighter, almost sometimes like a purple, pink variant to it as well. But that is lavender. Really nice. And then finally, we have the clean, minimalist look, which is technically termed as cream, although, I mean, it looks white to me. But I really like this because if you're the type of person that likes, you know, a lighter color, but you like the contrast of the metal, then you can see that there. It's a really good combo, isn't it? A lot of people want to know whether or not there's MagSafe incorporated. Now, it's interesting, I was playing around with this. Check this out, it's a real cool accessory, one of many. If I put that at the back of the Z Fold 8, there is a slight kind of, it's not like you can see, it attaches on the back, but it isn't strong enough. So in order to do that, you're going to need like a case. So for example, this is a cool Pingo case. If you put that on there, oh, that's much more stronger. So strong that, look, if I do this, it seems to stay on. So there isn't MagSafe per se, but if you want the MagSafe kind of features, you're going to need to use an included case that has inbuilt magnets. What do you guys think? I mean, I'm looking forward to gaming on this, browsing as well. I think it's going to be a very good, more practical form factor, especially for content consumption. Those are all of the new colors for the Z Fold 8. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and be sure to Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content related to not only this launch, but upcoming launches in the future. I'm Kwan. I'll see you in the next video. Peace and blessings.